Hello everyone, today we'll do this position, and how to do it I will show you now. So first what we will do is take in this position, take our leg, take breathe and push, stretching our back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that take stretch this leg and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3. Good work. Take open our hip, take elbow and push. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, our hands go and take our leg and start to do pushing up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you can try take your leg another hand and do like that. So amazing work. Take the legs together, slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much. I will hope that you like the stretching, because this stretching will be on split and how to stretch your body good without pain, with relax. So follow me, take likes, write me good comments, and I'm watching my another video. So bye bye.